Do you know where I have come from? I have just came back home by riding a bicycle. And whenever I get hurt on my legs, I say them, shut up legs, do what I tell you to do. Don't be so dependent on such motor vehicles. You would be thinking, what am I talking about? Wait, first let me introduce myself. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I am Armaanjeet Brar, a student of grade 10, Akal Academy 10Z, Shri Ganganagar. So friends, I was talking all that because today on 3rd June we celebrate World Bicycle Day, which was declared by the United Nations General Assembly in 2018. The motive is to recognize the longevity, uniqueness and versatility of the bicycle. We are familiar with bicycles since very long time, but some of us don't know the history behind the invention of bicycle. In 1815, the most powerful volcanic eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia led the global temperature for over an year, which is recorded in the human history as the year without summer. And this vast climate change led to the crop failure, which killed all the horses due to starvation. Therefore, Karl von Drais, a German baron, invented bicycle as the substitute for the horses. Therefore, it is an eco-friendly and affordable bike for everyone. Cycling 30 to 45 minutes every day keeps our body muscles very strong, and also it reduces our stress levels. As the renowned scientist Albert Einstein said, that life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. So let's cycle our memories and keep bicycles more our part of our lifestyle. Happy World Bicycle Day. Thank you.